Inspirational quotes. There are many educated people who have ruined their future on account of their ignorance of religion. Their knowledge did not prove of any avail to them. We, albeit chosen descendants of the Holy Prophet, hold such central and balancing position in religion that those who are deficient in understanding and acting upon its principles will have to come to us for reformation, and those who are overdoing it have got to learn moderation from us. A divine rule can be established only by a man who, where justice and equity are required, neither feels deficient nor weak, and who is not greedy and avaricious. Suhail bin Hunayf Ansari was a favorite companion of Imam Ali. At the time of Imam Ali's return from Siffin, he died at Kufa of the wounds sustained in the battle. His death left Imam Ali very sad, and he said, "Even if a mountain loves me, it will be crushed into bits. It means people are tested with my love, and to prove it they have to pass through loss and calamities.